Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can use Uniswap and what is actually Uniswap. So first, what is Uniswap? Uniswap is basically a cryptocurrency exchange which uses a decentralized network protocol. Uniswap is also the name of the company that initially built the Uniswap protocol, but now the protocol facilities automated transaction between the cryptocurrencies tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and through the smart of contracts. As Uniswap, one of the largest decentralized exchange operating on Ethereum blockchain, and it was estimated one of the largest decentralized exchange in 2022. And basically, it's allow user to access anywhere in the world to trade crypto without any intermediary. So simply let's get started. First, all you have to do is to go on Google and type uniswap.com. Once you're done, you will see a landing page like this, and this is an official page of a website of Uniswap. You will see that Uniswap protocol swap, earn and build on leading decentralized cryptocurrency protocol. So you will see 1.2 trillion plus volume. There is volume over there of trade, and 120 millions all-time trade, and 300 plus integration, and 4,400 plus community delegates. So this is a total estimate over that. And you will see a Uniswap ecosystem, a growing network of DeFi apps like developer, traders, and liquidity that provides participate together in a financial market space and open that is open and accessible for all. So over here you will see the developer option, the developer thing, that is for a super power developer that build apps and tools on the largest crypto project on the Ethereum. Get started with quick start guides, protocol documentation, JavaScript, and fully open source code. These are the certification over here, like you will apply for the funding from the Uniswap grant program. You can get paid to build the future of the finance. Uniswap governments offers grant funding for people's building app tools and activities on the Uniswap protocol. And now we're here, you will see the protocol governance. What is that? Basically it's managed by the global community of UNI token holders and delegates. And the government's form, you will see the civil forms and the government protocol. These are the different portals over there, the government's portals. So this is official page of Uniswap. So you will get into it, you will see a beautiful logo over here. This is like a horse ahead of a horse. We're gonna go ahead and launch this app. You will see a landing page like this. This is another interface, and you will see a swap option over. You will swap one of cryptocurrency to another, like Ethereum to whatever you want. So we're gonna connect this one. We're gonna go the wallet, whatever your wallet is. You got three wallets. You have the option of MetaMask, Coinbase, and wallet. So I already have that the MetaMask. I'm gonna quickly link with that one. So you will see it's waiting to connect and confirmation disconnect the wallet. So you have to give us a password over there. Let me just give it, and there we go. Here we go, and this is my, I got connected with MetaMask. So over here you will see my wallet, my MetaMask wallet, which is currently I have 0 Ethereum, 0 USDT. I don't have any transactions over there. So basically you should have to first, you have to connect the wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase, or whatever you have. You have to connect that by looking their exchange and go with that. And you will see the different assets over there, the coins like Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, and the Calo. So these are the different exchanges, and this is a swap options. You will see a token, different tokens over there. Top tokens on Uniswap like Ethereum, USDT, Tether, Wrap, DAI, Binance, Frax. These are the different bunch of different crypto exchange. You can swap, you can buy and sell on that website. You can, this is one of the largest decentralized applications. You can go with that. You will see the pool option. This is basically once you like when you active this liquidity position, you will, that basically gonna be appear here. This is, this is something else we're gonna talk about later. But right now you will have to learn how you can use that, how you can sign up with that. Simply you have to go on Google, you have to go with that website officially. Then you have to connect the wallet, like whatever you have. I go with the MetaMask. You have to connect the wallet with the extensions, and once you're done, you will be able to use that. You will be able to buy and sell crypto. So this is how you can use Uniswap. And Uniswap, what is Uniswap? Basically a lot of decentralized application used for buy and selling crypto. If you like the video, make sure subscribe that channel, and please like that video, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you so much.